So, our Supreme Championship Supercow Award, our red and white champion Holstein was Logan Rugal Sosby, exhibited by BG Yates and Son. The Holstein champion, Evening Sidekick Jennifer from Evening Hill Farm Limited. Our Any Other Breed champion, Kida Calvin Sancho Maria, exhibited by the Lockett family. Our Ayrshire champion, Harperfield Queen of the South 60, by the firm of Dean Lindsay. And the Jersey champion, Rivermead Binks County, exhibited by the Davies family.
But anyway, now to the nitty-gritty. It's been a tremendous show, and I want 2 cows in no particular order just to face up this way. First of all, I would like to ask the Jersey to face this way if it can. And secondly, I'd like this Holstein to face this way as well. For me, these 2 have been the stars of the show. And either one could be Supercow today. I think they've got mind-blowing, unbelievable mammary systems. I've gone on about balance and symmetry all day of mammary systems, and they've both got it. They've both got great frames. And I think this ring will probably be split on where I'm going to go. But I have a clear indication of where I'm going to go today. And when I do tap out the Supercow and the reserve, I really want you to get behind them and really give them a round of applause, because they really, really deserve it. So without any further ado, I'm going to go out and tap my champion and my reserve, and let's get behind the champion and the reserve. So come on, let's put your hands together and let's really go for it.
Evening Sidekick Jennifer is your Supercow champion of Agriscot 2023. Reserve Supercow goes to the Jersey, Rivermead Binks County, exhibited by the Davies family.
I don't think you can deny the mammary system on this cow. I really like the way she walks through her, the way she handles them legs, and that's because she's got that width in the third position. For 2 beautiful cows and 2 tremendous specimens of the breed. Congratulations to everyone. Thank you.